The Black River Market in St. Elizabeth remains out of operation weeks after Hurricane Melissa caused extensive damage to the facility. Vendors have been forced to relocate, while the damaged structure is now being used as a makeshift shelter. Details from Yannick Williams.
Saturdays are usually one of the busiest days in the market. It's been 8 Saturdays since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, and the business at the Black River Market and the surrounding areas have been at a standstill. Stalls ravaged, goods absent, and shoppers forced to go elsewhere.
Well, I'm surprised. I really want it to fix back because that's where people.
How important it is.
When you go there, you have your loved ones, the people that you know you used to. You understand? Where you can communicate with and shop around.
This structure was once the Black River Market, where scores of residents from St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland came to earn a living. But now it serves as a temporary shelter for residents who were displaced by the hurricane. Vendors told TVJ News the relocation has significantly reduced customer traffic, directly impacting their earnings, and that traveling long distances to obtain their produce has increased their operating cost.
New market a little bit cheaper, but Black River a little bit easier. Because when you come here, you would have to just buy and just go around. When you go to a new market, you have to get transportation to come down. It's going to be a little bit late. So it will be easier in the Black River Market. Yeah, when wholesale people came, it will be easier for us to buy and then sell back on the streets.
On December 10, 2014, the Black River Market was reopened after it was renovated at a cost of $94 million. The market's new model was part of the vision for the overall development of agritourism and the re-establishment of the town as a prime commercial hub. But the hurricane had other plans. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Matthew Samuda, says government officials and global organizations are collaborating to repair the structure.
So we're going to have to look at angles to the sea. We're going to have to look at proximity to the sea, proximity to our rivers and wetlands. We're going to have to look at the building systems, look at how they're anchored. And we'll also have to redouble our efforts for our financial architecture as well, because we are going to have damage occasionally from the storms of the future.
So far, no official timeline has been given for when rehabilitation work will begin. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.